Ryan Malhosky walks Baxter while snow falling in South Lake Tahoe during a fast-moving storm on Saturday. The road is covered with snow because the region fell into a winter storm warning on Saturday. Maggie Creamer, The Chronicle, on Saturday. Sierra Nevada and South Cascades' intense and fast-moving snowstorm warned passengers to avoid the mountain travel on Sunday morning. National Weather Service. Especially Sierra Nevada's mountain regions at the highest peaks of 2 feet snow for conditions expected to wear a winter storm warning. Caltrans or any highway department will be very difficult to clean the roads, the National Weather Service meteorologist said. According to estimates from the National Weather Service, heavy snowfall accumulation was expected in Shasta Mountain, Dunsmuir, Donner Pass and Truckee. Baxter runs along a fast-moving storm on Saturday, running along the South Lake Tahoe Way. Wood said that the heaviest snow pellets were felt on Saturday morning in the afternoon. Typical snowstorms are half-inch or an inch per hour. Snowstorm-like conditions were possible for the intense Interstate 80. Strong winds up to 50 miles/h can capture their tree limbs. 'Cause power outages lead to white conditions, he carried out chain requirements for vehicles in I-80 late Saturday morning and reported spinouts collisions in the afternoon. According California Highway Patrol, authorities closed some of I-80 going to west in Truckee after 2 hours in Truckee. Agents said that they responded motor vehicle accident. CHP Truckee was previously sent to X, known as Twitter. The Truckee Office of California Highway Patrol reported spinouts and collisions at Interstate 80 at the Donner Summit during winter storm of Saturday. Tahoe Daily Snow, which provides estimates and measurements, reported 2 to 3 inches profit per hour in the upper mountains and accumulated around 9 inches. Around 2 hours. For what you need to travel. Air officials invite drivers to winter their vehicles. Prepare an emergency kit with hot clothes, food and water, and slow down their routes. Road conditions can be accessed at quickmap.ca.gov or by phone 1-800-427-7623. The storm system also brought rain and disgusting winds to the Gulf region on Saturday. Loads were almost at all 50s in San Francisco, where residents threw their umbrellas during shower afternoon. A pedestrian crossing in San Francisco on Saturday falls to Fulton Street on Saturday. Santiago. Mejia, The Chronicle, on Sunday. Snowfall was possible on Mount Hamilton in Santa Clara District, the highest peak of Mr. Area. Warren Peterson and Megan Fanmunts contributed to this report.